If you're wondering why Bitcoin is rising and pumping right now, you just found the perfect video. In this video, I'm going to be going over the technical analysis and the news surrounding this recent Bitcoin climb, and we might be heading towards a new high. Let's get into it. All right, guys. Now that we are looking at the information, and we're going to take a look at the charts, let's go. All right, so this is an article that was recently just published within the past 24 hours. All right, it says Bitcoin surges 6% to touch 70,000 as Ethereum ETF rumors cause market frenzy. All right. So I'm just going to do a little overview of it so we can understand what's going on before we actually look into the charts. So it says Bitcoin surged past the 70,000 mark on May 21st, which is today, time of the recording, marking a significant milestone driven by a flood of investment into spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds, or ETFs. All right. In a broader market rally, Bitcoin's price climbed to $70,325 and a 6% increase over 24 hours before settling at 68,700 as of press time. All right. And that's based on a crypto slate data. All right. Ethereum arguably led the rally over the past couple of hours, experiencing a staggering 14.5% rise within an hour on Monday amid speculation that the U.S. SEC might approve spot Ethereum's ETFs. So as we can see, these ETFs are causing the market to bull run in a very, very explosive way. All right. It says the renewed interest in Bitcoin's ETFs follows a week of outflows with nearly $1 billion flowing into these funds, providing investors with exposure to the leading digital asset. All right. The surge has led to significant liquidations in the market, with over 235 million in positions closed in the past 24 hours, including 63 million in Bitcoin short positions alone, according to CoinGlass. All right. And analysts indicate the most on-chain metrics suggest that the beginning of a bull market, despite showing signs of potential peaking. The recent bounce near 60,000 has sparked renewed interest, with fair-side investors reporting approximately 950 million inflows last week, a level not seen since March. All right, so now that we know a little bit about what's going on in the ETFs, in the news surrounding it, that is causing this to go up, let's get into the charts. This is the best part. All right. So, if you guys don't know, I love to use Bitcoin. I used to love to use TradingView to do all of my technical analysis. All right. So we always start out with support and resistance. Always. That gives us a solid foundation to reading the charts. We have a little bit right there. Sweet. All right. And we're on a 4-hour time frame, so we always look at a little bit higher time frame so we get a good idea of actually what's going on from a bigger perspective. So we can see that price is currently on an uptrend. And if you haven't been watching my past videos, I've been documenting a little bit about Bitcoin as it goes on. So it's doing exactly what I said it was going to do. All right. We were in a small downtrend here recently. In a small downtrend, starting up from right here. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We break below this, giving off a lot of scares, a lot of panic sells. A lot of people got rid of their Bitcoin because they seen that this recent low where it held support at was broken, causing people to think, okay, we're probably about to drop down here. I thought that as well. But as we can see, it was clearly just a fake out. So then we come right back up here. We diddled around the support area before finally taking off and starting this massive bull run where we are at right now. If you don't know, the market plays in the hands of supply and demand, with the big money in the market causing all the prices of the stocks and the cryptocurrencies to move at a snap of a finger because they have the money to do it. All right. So what I have drawn up right here is supply and demand zones so that we know where the price of these coins are most likely to take off. This is what we have seen in the past, and it shows again and again that these are respectable areas in the market. This is what I'm talking about right here. When I pull out an arrow, we'll just get an arrow right here. So you can see right here, when price hit this area of supply and demand, it took off like a rocket. Right here again, and then we had a fake out right here. Took off like a rocket. But when it came up here, it didn't break through, kind of played around, wigged a little bit. It shot down, as we can see. As well as right here, when it finally broke through, it took off like a rocket. And that is currently where we are at right now. And as you can see in the past, same things apply. All right. If you want another area of confluence, we can draw a simple trend line that is starting to form. Right there. Bang. All right. What a trend line is basically when the market finds an area where it continues to grow and bouncing off the same area, causing a reaction, as we can see right there. We should see price come down to here again, reject off this near the supply and demand and support zone before continuing to take off and reach new highs is what we hope. All right. So like I said, we are in a uptrend as of right now. Going forward, we could see this break above this $73,000 mark where it struggled last time before consolidating and moving sideways, which is consolidation, and giving us that scary break towards the down pull, which caused a lot of people to sell, like I said earlier in the video. So yeah, guys, this is my Bitcoin price prediction and the news surrounding this big pump. Trying to see if I missed anything. Be on the lookout for the price to break above this, causing it to come back and retest and head to the top where it recently reached around $76,000 before it began to fall. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you stayed this long, that means you gained some knowledge. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on those notifications. Thank you guys so much. Peace.